इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन आएंगे, बट the ones who follow the boring but effective strategy are the ones who get selected. Mark my words. Will pressurize you and you will not reach your true potential. So, hello everyone, this is Arsh Shardu and I'm the best students Board 6 Key in NEET. And in today's session, we will discuss how can you prep NEET if you go to regular school plus offline coaching. In previous, the problem is not school. The problem is not coaching. In fact, neither of them is problem. Problem is your system. The problem is you are not able to manage. That is the main problem. So, if you are able to manage both things, the both things can add up and provide you a huge advantage. But if you are not able to manage, both things will pressurize you and you will not reach your true potential. So, let's start the session and discuss how can you manage both. So, talking about the biggest mistake that students make. वो school जाते हैं, then they come home. After that, even if they are getting 1 hour break between these two, they start scrolling reels. Okay? And this is a very bad habit. बहुत बुरी आदत है ये. So, the 1 hour or half hour, and even if you are getting 15 minutes, utilize the time to revise. Because जैसे अब आप अभी स्कूल से आए हैं, थोड़ा रेस्ट लीजिए, लंच वगैरह करिए, and that even if you are getting 15 minutes, just revise के स्कूल में आज क्या क्या कराए हैं. ओके, बिकॉज आपने अभी प्रेशरिंग टॉपिक पढ़ा है, तो आप बहुत जल्दी से रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट इन 15 मिनट्स you can revise a whole chapter if you have read it freshly. So don't waste even with these 15 minutes. Okay? Then after that, go to coaching. And in coaching, be attentive. Because जितना आप क्लास के attentive रहोगे, उतना आप लॉन्ग्स को रिवाइज करने में कम टाइम लगाओगे. So be attentive both in school and be in coaching. And stop considering that school is a waste of time. No, school time का वेस्ट नहीं है. ओके, हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे नहीं है और कैसे आप इन दोनों के इफेक्ट्स को ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द जुडिशियल यूज ऑफ स्कूल. स्कूल को हम अच्छी तरह कैसे यूटिलाइज करें. सो फर्स्टली, जो चैप्टर आपके स्कूल में चल रहा है उसको आप ध्यान से सुने. उसकी एनसीईआरटी कोशिश करें कि आप उसकी एनसीईआरटी को ही कंप्लीट कर लें. उसके इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मार्क करें. एंड घर आकर जो मैंने कहा था कि आपको 10-15 मिनट्स मिल रहे हैं, उसमें या तो आप रिवाइज करें या जो आज स्कूल में टॉपिक हुआ है उसकी एनसीईआरटी को एक बार रिव्यू करें, जस्ट रिट्रीव, एंड उसके पीवाईक्यूज को एनसीईआरटी के मार्क कर दें. दैट्स इट. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू डू हैवी रिविजन in that piece of time. I know you are exhausted. Just tag the PYQs in the NCERT of the chapter that is going in school, so that आपको बाद में कम दिक्कत आए. Okay? If you are not doing self-study, then you are already wasting your time. Okay? So, better is you revise just after coming from coaching. Now, how will you revise? The topic that has been done in coaching. Take a blank page and write all the points that you are remembering. At the points you are not remembering, stress on them for at least 7 to 8 minutes, and after that, go to notes. Leverage techniques we have discussed in previous session also. Okay, you have revised the notes. It will approximately take 15 to 20 minutes. Now, after 10, solve questions. The DPPs, the homework you are getting. Especially in this phase, you should give more time to physics, because once physics concepts are built, then it is easier to retain physics for a longer time. Okay, I'm not saying that you should neglect chemistry and bio completely, but if you are studying 5 hours a day, you should be giving at least 2.5 hours to physics. Yeah, what I'm saying. or at least 2 hours to physics. Now, how will we distribute these 2 hours to physics? Number 1, your 15 to 30 minutes hours. And then, after that, take 5 minutes a day, recall the formulas in your brain, and set a timer of 30 minutes. In these 30 minutes, solve questions. For example, you are able to solve 15 questions in 30 minutes. Take a 5-minute break, again set a timer of 30 minutes. Now, in these 30 minutes, what should be your target? Your target should be at least one question more than previous session. You should do at least 3 sessions per day like these. Okay. So, this should be your ideal target. Now, in chemistry, same. If you are doing physical chemistry, then this target is same. Otherwise, for organic, like all the reaction mechanism that you are learning today on a blank page and revise them, and also see the function of reagents that are being used. Okay, and in biology, read NCERT and tag PYQs in it. Clear? Now this will be the judicial use of the time you are getting. Okay, I'm not saying that you should study 40-15 hours. That is not even possible because school, coaching, and after that you are already exhausted. So how will you get so much time? So the better use is you should use your remaining time wisely. Okay, suppose you came home from coaching at 8 p.m. Now, from 8:30 to 12, this should be your time for self-study and question practice. Sunday. Sunday is a make or break phase for in preparation. Now, how will you prepare on Sunday? Look, Sunday is meant for only backlog and test. Okay, no new topic. If you are having backlog because you are hardly getting 4 to 5 hours after school and cooking, so there is a high probability कि आपके backlogs बन गए होंगे. So complete the backlogs on Sunday. Also, give a full length mock test on Saturday. And if you are not able to give full length mock test right now, you can solve questions. Okay, but Sunday is meant for backlog and questions or test. Clear? And आपने जो भी पूरा वीक पढ़ा है उसको आप संडे को रात को सोने से पहले जस्ट एक बार गो थ्रू कर दीजिए. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आप पूरा उसका रिवीजन करिए एंड ऑल. आप उसको अगर टाइम में रिवाइज करिए, नहीं तो आप उसके नोट्स को एक बार जस्ट गो थ्रू कर लीजिए. इट विल हार्डली टेक 1 hour. क्लियर? नाउ, स्कूल एंड कोचिंग ये दोनों मैनेज हो सकते हैं आइडियल टाइम टेबल से नहीं, आइडियल कंसिस्टेंसी से हो. ओके, देखो जैसे मैंने पहले कहा है, सिलेक्शन का प्रोसेस बोरिंग होता है. वही रिपीटेटिव चीजें, वही रोज आके वही सेल्फ स्टडी, रिवीजन, नोट्स, एमसीक्यूज, टेस्ट, यही रिपीट चलता जाएगा. आपको डिमोटिवेशन होगी, आपको मोटिवेशन भी होगी. इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन आएंगे. बट it's important that you are being consistent. Okay? And the ones who follow the boring but effective strategy are the ones who get selected. Mark my words. And subscribe the video channel. And if you want to prepare with me and my team, you can fill the form in the description and follow Hustle with Harsh called Bone Such Pattern. Thank you. All the best.